Hey entrepreneurs, Sam Day here from DeyTips. I'm a marketing consultant and I also teach marketing courses on behalf of LinkedIn on their platform LinkedIn Learning. And in today's video, I'm speaking specifically about the Facebook pixel, also known as the Meta pixel. So it's known as the Meta pixel because obviously Facebook own Instagram now, and you can actually use Facebook ads to show up not only in Facebook, but also in Instagram ads as well. So the Facebook pixel specifically, you can actually add that to your website simply by logging into your Facebook ads account, going into all tools, going into events, and then inside there you can add your Facebook pixel, and you want to add this to the head section of your website. I have a few tutorials on how to do this on various different platforms, and I'll leave some of those in the description down below. So if you are a website owner of a specific platform like Wix or Squarespace or whatever it might be, I have some tutorials that will help you to add the pixel to your website. But I wanted to speak about why the pixel is important and certain things that the pixel allows you to do to help you to create even more profitable campaigns when running ads on Facebook. So first and foremost, probably the easiest one, most people know about this one, is it allows you to optimize for conversions. So you can actually set up a conversion inside of Facebook ads as well. And I have other videos on this channel specifically speaking about how to set up a Facebook campaign effectively. Again, I'll leave those videos in the description down below. But you can do what's known as conversion tracking within Facebook. And when you have the Facebook pixel installed on your website, what Facebook will do is analyze where your conversions are coming from. So for those of you who might not know what I mean when I say conversion, a conversion is simply when someone takes a desired action on your website. So let's say, for example, you're trying to accumulate new leads for your business, new names, new email addresses, maybe new numbers, or you might be trying to get people to buy your products or invest in your service. When someone comes to your website, after clicking on an advert that they see on Facebook or Instagram, and then they make a purchase, or they leave their name and email address or number, depending on whatever action you want them to take, you need to tell Facebook that that conversion has happened essentially. And the Facebook pixel is 50% of you telling Facebook that a conversion has happened. So obviously we don't want to have to manually go onto our laptop and let Facebook know every single time someone makes a purchase. That's not practical, but we use AI to allow us to do this, and the Facebook pixel is one of the ways. Obviously, you need to create a custom conversion, like I mentioned in some of my other Facebook ad tutorials, which I'll leave in the description. But the Facebook pixel is really important when it comes to knowing what someone does once they click on your advert that they see on Facebook and go back to your website. Obviously, Facebook is really intelligent, and your Facebook ad, when you first put it out, will go through what's known as a learning phase. And this is where Facebook is trying to determine who is clicking on your advert, but also the actions that they are taking after they click on your advert. So your Facebook ad could be seen in many different places. As I mentioned, it could be seen on Facebook, it can be seen on Instagram, it could be seen in stories, it can be seen in Reels. There's so many different places where your Facebook ad could potentially be seen. And what Facebook is trying to determine is what place on Facebook is generating the best results for your campaign, and also what type of audience seems to be not just clicking on your ads but buying your product or leaving their name and email address as a lead, because it will start to notice patterns once your advert is going through that learning phase. And after a while, you will notice that your campaigns start to perform better because Facebook have a better understanding of who is buying your product. So this is why usually when you're running an ad campaign, the first maybe week might not be your best in terms of leads and sales for your business. But because you've installed the Facebook pixel and you've allowed for Facebook to go through the learning phase, your campaigns will gradually get better as it understands who is buying your product, and it serves your ad up more so to people who are more likely to buy based on the demographics of people who have bought in the past. But not only does it track your conversions, it also tracks other important aspects of your ad campaigns, like where people are clicking on your website. And this is really important because let's say, for example, you have a campaign and you have maybe 2 buy now buttons on one particular page. There might be one buy now button that is getting more interaction than the other, and you would want to know why people are clicking on one as opposed to the other. So I've done videos in the past on this YouTube channel about split testing and knowing what makes your customers buy and what doesn't, so that you can make educated and data-driven changes to your advertisement campaigns to help improve your sales as you go along. And if you know, okay, people are clicking on this button, but they're not clicking on that button, then this can help you to kind of, understand what buttons seem to be working in your ad campaigns and what buttons don't. So with your Facebook pixel, this allows you to quickly and easily identify what buttons people are actually clicking in your ad campaign. So the Facebook pixel also allows you to do detailed retargeting. And one of the things that you can retarget are the people who add a product or a service of yours to their cart. So they go to your website and they add a product to your cart, but they don't make a purchase for whatever reason. So you can single those people out and, show them tailored marketing messages on Facebook ads that kind of encourage them to go back and, finish their purchase for that product. So if someone has seen your advert on, say, Instagram or Facebook, they click, they go to your website and they see the product, they add it to the cart, but they decide not to make a purchase, then they are someone who is potentially a hot prospect, a hot lead. Maybe, they just forgot to make that final purchase, or maybe they needed some more time to think about it. What you could do is follow up with another ad specifically targeting all of the people who, as a result of seeing your first campaign, have added a product to their cart but haven't made a purchase. You can maybe send them a percentage off your product if they buy in a particular time frame, because they've added it to their cart, they're ready to buy it. Maybe if you incentivize them with a percentage off kind of ad campaign, then you could get them to make a purchase. So this is a really powerful way to use the Facebook pixel to bump up sales of people who were potentially interested in your product but just didn't make a purchase. And you will never know the people who came directly from your Facebook ad and added a product to your cart if you never had the Facebook pixel installed. And you can also create what's known as dynamic ads with the Facebook pixel as well. And this allows you to, create an advertisement campaign specifically to people who've seen your ad on Facebook, clicked through it, and viewed specific products on your website. So let's say you have loads of different products or services that you offer. Someone clicks on your ad and they view a specific category or view a specific product on your site or a specific page on your site, which might indicate an interest in a particular product or service that you offer. Then you can create a retargeting campaign based off of people who have viewed certain products. So rather it being a broad campaign, you can target them specifically with products that they might be really interested in. And that can really help you to narrow down your advertisement and your marketing spend so that you can target people with the products that they are most likely to click on and buy and interact with. And again, you can offer them some specific incentives for those particular products to get them over the line making a purchase. It's important to remember, and I speak about this in a lot of my YouTube videos, that the first time someone comes across your website, whether it be through social media or through an ad, they might not be in the ready to buy mindset, or they might not trust your brand enough yet to make a purchase. They might need some time to mull over it. So you might send them to your website once with a paid ad, but what is your strategy to get them back to your website? I speak about, different types of strategies on this YouTube channel, but retargeting them using the Facebook pixel with the specific products that they were clicking on and looking on your website is a really great way to ensure that they make a purchase with you as a result of clicking on your ad. And you can get really tailored as well when it comes to retargeting. So there might be people who add products to your cart, and obviously we've spoken about the fact that you can retarget those people, but there might be people who see your Facebook ad and they click on the Facebook ad, they view your product, but they don't add your product to the cart. And you can create specific ad campaigns for people who have viewed a product but not added it to their cart. So obviously these people might need a little bit more warming up than the people who have added a product to their cart. So you can kind of create two different campaigns, retargeting campaigns. One that goes to people who have clicked on your Facebook ad, your previous Facebook ad, and looked at a product but not added it to their cart. And another campaign that includes people who have clicked on that product and added it to their cart. And you can send them two different marketing messages. And obviously, if you're sending people specific marketing messages based on the actions that they have taken, then this increases the chances of them making a purchase, because you're now doing marketing that is tailored and personalized to the actions and interests of the people who have clicked on your advertisement. So here are a few reasons why the Facebook pixel is really important. Obviously, a lot of people preach that you should have the Facebook pixel installed, but sometimes it's not always obvious as to why the Facebook pixel should be installed on your website when you're performing advertisements on Facebook and Instagram. So hopefully this video clears that up for you guys. But I also have the formula, and I speak about the formula in every single one of my YouTube videos, and that is because it takes you through some of the essentials, not just to running paid ads, but other aspects of your marketing as well. And after reading the formula, you will understand why it is important for you to have a holistic marketing strategy that not only focuses on Facebook ads, but also focuses on things like email marketing as well. I also speak about social media marketing and how social media marketing can actually help you to improve your paid ad campaigns as well. And so all of these things, when you have the understanding and knowledge of it, you can actually use that information and create a robust marketing strategy for your business. You will know kind of how Google ads work, how SEO works, how social media works, how video marketing works, how email marketing works, all together to help you to promote your products and services online more effectively. So if you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure you download your absolutely free copy from my website. I will leave a link to it somewhere on this screen and in the description down below. And if you have downloaded it, make sure you actually take the time to read it, because I guarantee there's going to be something in the formula that you're not currently doing in your business that you could potentially do to help increase traffic, leads, and sales. But also, guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification button as well, so you do not miss one of my uploads. I will be doing follow-up videos to Facebook ads as well, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those videos. But thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.